Good to have you back on the show, Aimee. Just first of all, I'd like you to weigh in on what I just laid out. 5 of those jurors, at least, are represented by Eric Bland today. They're being questioned by the judge about, whether they were influenced in their guilty verdict. And the man that they're in judgment of is sitting right there, and it's a guy that Eric Bland has been slaying for a couple years now. Is there a conflict of interest here?
I absolutely believe there is. We have over 17,000 lawyer members of the South Carolina bar. We have over 13,000 that are practicing in this state. There is no reason why just a few lawyers should be involved in this entire case. It gives absolutely the appearance of impropriety, especially like you said, when Eric has been very clear about how he feels about Alec, how he feels about Dick and Jim, and how he feels basically about defense attorneys in general. And I think that there's a problem when that person is now representing 5 at least of these jurors, who some of which, will admit that they heard Becky say something, some won't say anything. It's all very disheartening and very confusing.
He also on Friday told our producers, my jurors are going to say this, likely going to say this, which I thought, huh? I mean, for anybody who doesn't know this or who hasn't sat on a jury before, when you're a juror, the court staff are kind of the gods, right? They're your guides, they're your boss, and the judge is kind of your rabbi. And so you believe them, you trust them. And that all ended. They lost their leaders, they lost their allies in the courthouse when the court case ended. So the only kind of legal guide they've had since then is their lawyer, Eric Bland. I just thought it was very weird and I'm glad you said it, because, I have all sorts of stuff to say. Can I ask you to weigh in on the ruling today? My jaw, I've been spatula, up off the floor all day. What do you think?
It's disappointing, not only for the state of South Carolina. I think it's disappointing for every jury. Just the fact alone that there was this allegation, and then for the judge to say that she did not believe the clerk, period. And then to have one juror, well, how many does it take? Would 2 have been the change? Would 3, if she said, instead of, yes, it changed. It absolutely, if she screamed or cried, would that have made a difference? What our jury system says 12 people. 12 people did not agree on this case. It should absolutely be retried for the sanctity of, and it has nothing to do with guilt or innocence or my client even. This is for the sanctity of the system. The fact that this could go on today in this state is not only a black eye for this state, but I think for justice in general in this country. It's terrifying.
I'm with you. Doesn't matter what you think about Alec Murdaugh. It's not just for him. It's for all of us that we need to keep our justice system pristine. So these kinds of shenanigans, not welcome. Aimee Zmroczek, good to have you. I need to have you back so we can talk about Cousin Eddie, because that case is still cooking. Can you come back on the show?
Absolutely, and thank you for having me.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.